I guess here 16 divided by 4 is 4 plus 2 in bracket whole square plus 6 divided by 3 minus 5. Here this is 4 plus 2 is 6 square plus 6 divided by 3 minus 5. Here 6 square is 36 plus 6 divided by 3 minus 5. Here 36 plus 6 is 42 divided by 3 minus 5. Here 42 divided by 3 is 14 minus 5. Here 14 minus 5 is 9 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 9 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right. Here we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. Inside the bracket we have two operations. One is division and other one is addition. Here division is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this division before this addition. So 16 divided by 4 is 4 plus 2 whole square plus 6 divided by 3 minus 5. Here 4 plus 2 is 6 square plus 6 divided by 3 minus 5. Here the next priority is exponent. We have exponent here is 6 to the power of 2. So we have to do this 6 to the power of 2 before this operation. So 6 square is 36 plus 6 divided by 3 minus 5. Here we have addition, division and subtraction. Here division is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this division before this addition and subtraction. Here 36 plus here 6 divided by 3 is 2 minus 5. Here we have addition and subtraction. Here both are equal priority, addition and subtraction. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is this 36 plus 2. 36 plus 2 is 38 minus 5. Here 38 minus 5 is 33 is the correct answer.